What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back or welcome to another video of Shayla's World. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button, turn your post notifications on. What are you doing? Right here to hit that like button, comment something nice in the comment section down below. And let's get straight into this video. So I'm going to be doing a high braided ponytail. I think that's what it's called. Look at my hair. I look like Cindy Lou. Hold on. Yeah, I look like, no, I don't look like no Cindy Lou. Kind of. I look like a troll with black hair. Cindy Lou has braids up on her hair, but yeah. Okay, let's stop joking around and get into the video. So, I am filming behind the scenes, so say hi. I don't know which video is coming out, but yes. And I'm actually gonna be filming behind I'm gonna be filming the TikTok as well, so I had to film it on my old phone because I'm filming on my new phone. If you understand, you just understand. So, yes, I had to film on my old phone, which is not gonna be the best quality, but it's gonna do. So let's get straight into this video. So, these are all the products that you're going to be needing. So I have Got to Be Spray. It's kind of empty, but I'm still using. I'm using beeswax for my whole head, like to slick it down. You can use Edge Control if you want to. I also have Edge Control, the what is this? The Kiss Edge Fixture, and the Very Cherry, and the Strawberry Icy or whatever it's called. I have this Sheen spray for after I'm done with my head, and some setting mousse for my ponytail. So, you're going to need some hair ties and a comb if you need it. I don't know what I'm going to need all this stuff for. Y2 comb. And something to wrap your hair down tight, like to hold it. And last but not least, you're going to need some type of braiding hair, and I have that. This is pre-stretch braiding hair. Yeah, just pre-stretch braiding hair, and I have it in 1B, I think. Or just plain 1. I don't know. So, you know, I'm about to slick my hair up, and this is going to be a high ponytail look. Let me bring the camera up a little bit. It's going to be a high ponytail look, and I'm going to section my hair off into sections because I know how thick my hair is. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to start off with a small, yeah. Let's not do it like that. I don't know how I should do it because there's different ways you could do this. We're going to take a section of our hair in the middle. I don't know how people do this. I'm just parting a section in the middle of my head so I can kind of start off with some. Oh, something's in my this is on freshly washed hair and blow dried hair. Not too blowed out, but it's still blowed out just a little bit. So I need a hair tie. I've never did a high braided ponytail before. I did a low braided ponytail, but not a high ponytail. I'm going to go in with my beeswax and slick my hair up. Oh, Lord. Let's not mess this up. All we needed is on the perimeter. Once I get the first section done, this first section that's in the middle, it should be easier to
back turbo. You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to work so I just turned it. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. Your car, you just a listen, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that family. I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes get all cute, shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she come. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Juke too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, going all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fight, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can stay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Juke too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, going all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fight, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can stay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Every other night, another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. Looking like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your train, I'm gon' want another slave. I hate that y'all that love too many bitches getting saved. She is a racing, so I took a private plane. Pussy nigga like a while working on my aim. Juke too hard, charge to the car, to the center to the ground like a belly spread a name. Juke too hard, caution on the floor, you gon' fuck around and drown, try and run a nigga away. Juke too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, going all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fight, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can stay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Juke too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, going all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fight, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can stay. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
So now I've been sitting in the dryer for like at least 2 minutes, I think, and my hair curled up right here. I don't know what that would mean for the rest of my hair, but this curled up. And the back of my hair feels kind of, I don't know. But we're gonna leave this on until we're like ready to take it off. Now I'm going to start the braid. But first, before we start the braid, I like to like slick my real hair, because it just makes it better for me. So right now I'm going to comb out, well, not really comb out, but like pick out my hair. I'm holding it so like it won't get, the braid won't get loose while I'm combing. And just turn it down just a little bit. Now that you've combed your hair out, you're going to section your hair up into 3 equal sections. So one, we're going to do it at a time. So I got the first section. And I don't know if I might braid this section down. I might. But we're going to take a little bit. We don't need that much to slick our hair. You just want to slick up the roots, really. I mean, not the roots, but like where the pony braided, where the hair tie is. You want to slick right there, because that's where we're gonna start off. And I can get a little bit it gets a little bit hard for me when I'm adding hair right there, because I see all the flyaways and stuff. So I'm just going to slick my hair. I'm not gonna braid it, just going to slick it for right now. I don't think I might just braid the top. I don't like my hands being sticky, because that's exactly what that stuff does. Now we're going to comb it out. Ouch. Let me get the other one, because this has a wide tooth right here. Kind of. Just going to. This is not slick how I thought it would be. I'm going to take a little bit more. and put it. Even though I just combed it out, it shouldn't look like that. When I say I want it slick, I really do want it slick. Because my hair is just too nappy. It's not going to last long. I'm going to braid the top only. I'm just going to go ahead and braid the whole thing. Nope, I can't because I didn't make 3 equal seconds. So start that again so I can have 3 equal sections. Still not 3 equal sections, but it's okay. I just braided the 3 sections. Let me get these up for myself. Ah. Okay, got the first section, and I'm gonna do the the other 2 sections off camera, and then come back.
Lipstick, lip gloss, he's too give me a buck, need the Gucci store. Push your limit, that you ain't good enough. All your niggas said that you lost without me. All my bitches feel like I died to lonely. Fucking with you feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, you know that. You gon' make me need bail, you know that. Cock living with your friend, you ain't even had.
So, terrible attempt. I failed. But this is what I turned it into. A bun. A very cricket sized bun, because it sure is not like sitting in the middle. But all I did was wrap it. I could take it down. I ain't got barbie pins or nothing in it. Just gotta find the end. Okay. This is what it looks like. don't like the top because you can see all of my hair. Like, it really is bad. And, like, it's not even... It's got, like, no freaking... I don't know.